the fire is really, it's very, you see, I just hope it's really, and if you go in the door, you can see the flame.
I never forgot about her playlist. She said, I'm the taker.
Well, we can play with it. You see the fire? We're gonna cook some s'mores. We got some chocolate, and marshmallow instead. And the fire, right? Kill me. It's gonna be super fun. It's outside.
DJ calling. Cause he already closed his
It's
door.
outside and it's very, very fiery lights. Yeah, I just don't hope it doesn't burn. Well, it's literally night, you see? It's not no setup and something. It's literally dark. I said D-A-R-K. The fire's gonna burn.
I was gonna put it in YouTube.
Papi, tú pones
So what? I'm about. This is gonna be so exciting.
con chocolate.
So we're gonna get this fire up and ready. Are you guys excited? Cause I'm excited.
Well, wait, Kennedy up.
Mommy said no.
I don't care what Kia said. Go with your mom.
Ooh.
DJ, go wake your sister up.
Go.
Ooh.
I don't want to get
See, about to wake up my cousin. Look at the fire. You see, are you excited, Casey?
No.
For the s'mores. Oh. I thought you said you were recording.
I'm not. Yo, juro que yo escuché algo para allá.
Hey, get out DJ's chair.
Que girl.
You gotta sit in your own chair. Sit in your own chair, big back.
I will.
Yeah. Bro, it's literally so dark. Let me do my face. Are you excited, Kill Me?
Yes.
Look at that fire. Look at that tender fire.
Yeah.
I hope it don't burn down the hills. Yeah, I'm gonna run for my life. Look at my cousin. She's here. Yay! Hi, Candy.
Hey.
My little left. So just us. Yeah.
She's sick.
She's sick. Yeah. I think she's sick.
She is.
Oop. Hopefully your cousin's okay.
Papi, vámonos, se va a buscar los zapatos.
Text in the group chat. Get well. I'm not saying her name. Get well, Kennedy.
My father's not getting on fire.
That's why she kept
We
sleeping.
need another bottle.
Yeah, but it's literally dark outside. It's literally 9:26. That's late. But while that fire is going, should I be right back or should I not be back? But shout out to my friends, Corinne, Natalie, Mariah. It's the YouTube channel. Oh, that got big. You should. What? They got the fire. I'm just zooming. The fire just went up to like there, up to there. Like it went to giant again till it went like this. Boom.
DJ.
Why are you watching that video?
Oh my God.
Ow! Google start to know. Google start to know. Yeah, but I want to make sure you guys see it.
Yeah, I'll stop you.
My cousin speaks Spanish, so that's why. Look at that fire. Look at that fire. It's burning. What if it keeps going out and then we can't make this more? Oh yeah, and guys, we were making s'mores. I forgot to tell you. So what?
She was doing some videos of us outside.
No, but I didn't like that, so I deleted it.
Bless you.
But it's super dark out here. Oh my gosh. Look at that fire.
Look, Karen, come outside.
I think Kendi said.
Oh, she don't got her shoes on.
I think. Go, start to know. This is gonna be the best fire. What?
I filled it. I filled it.
I can't wait to eat it. I'm not trying to make y'all done so you can scroll and leave. This might take hours and hours and hours and hours. Okay.
Naranja, rojo y amarillo.
Go, stop to know. I think I might sit in this chair. Should I sit in this chair, guys? Cause now, like,
Oh, the house is getting burned.
Bubble nine, Tesla, nine, fried chicken, nine.
But look at these. It's not even outside.
Yeah, back to the names of my friends, Corinne, Miss Bella, and she's the one that look like the adult person.
Hershey.
Yeah, we got Hershey's. We got marshmallow, we got stick, we got quackies, and we got a fire.
Vaya poniéndolo en los palos.
No necesitamos un plato.
Arby, can you go look for a plate?
Huh? How much plates do we need?
I will look first.
Well, No, let me do it. She said me, not you. Just grab it. Exactly. You didn't have to make a whole thing. Google, stop tonight. We gotta get. Here's the part.
No, give me the plate.
Give us some.
Why you need your heart? I tripped. I am fine.
Nyla.
She left. Remember she went. Are you having a marshmallow?
Oh, and she was playing with her mom today.
Papi, Nyla hizo.
Come on, hurry up.
Wait, we can have a marshmallow?
Yeah.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Then how come you said yeah? Kendi, you said.
Kenny.
The fire went kaboom. There goes the fire. Watch it crumble. Feel the Yeah, but it's very late outside, guys. I'm gonna go to sleep. No. But I really hope I'm not doing this upside down, because should I do it that way?
Papi, can I eat a marshmallow?
No,
Can we?
Papi, can I eat this marshmallow?
somebody no.
She's not asking you. Google, start to know.
Where's my phone?
The phone's right here.
Down to mine.
Name the girl that we know. Bing, blah, 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 bling.
Papi, can I eat this? Don't grab mine.
What? You can eat, can I eat one?
A lot of sticks because you already have a lot of marshmallows. Not everybody.
Can I eat one?
You have to start roasting them. Casey, no more.
I'm gonna roast you.
Why you? I'm not roasting. That's mine.
We can get our own steak.
Why do I get this? This one is like
Did
Google's.
you start putting them? Yes. But don't get smelly.
I'm scared. Candy, you gonna?
Wait.
Wait.
I found this. Did you burn?
Right, Tiana.
Como dijiste que no eres estúpida.
We about to roast this
Como dijiste que
fire, right, Kennedy?
Cállate la boca, cállate la boca. Se quemó.
Ya aquí comiendo un mandado.
Papi, va a ponerle esto.
¿Puedo poner mío?
Where'd Nyla go? She went home.
Sí, dale, ahorita pueden hacerlo alrededor.
Girls,
You was asleep.
be careful.
I
saw her before she went.
okay. I'm about to roast them. Okay. Okay.
Mira que hay que aquí, al loco. Necesito ahí. Ya,
There was just a paper.
Papi, estas galletas son bien chiquitas.
¿Qué galleta?
¿Sí?
Is this burnt?
Right, man.
What is a burnt?
Toma, Casey, kill me.
Why you touch it?
Oh, Kiana, you know the stick chocolate is full of thingy? Then I push mine down. Guys, look at
I
this.
want to try it without.
Why are you watching? It's stank. I'm a real smart in the Uncle, look.
Uh-huh.
Did you still? Did you even put the chocolate? I want to taste it, but it don't taste it. Kiana's so lazy that she didn't even open it.
I did.
Yeah, but you didn't even take the chocolate bar out.
You want one, Uncle?
Ah, no, papi, viene con 6. 6 de esto.
No, rompe chiquito. O sea, coge un cantito y lo pone a la
Both sides? Just one side?
Of course, I'm the last person to get the stick, yeah. The stick. You have to put one cookie on the top. Wait, that's, you can get one. Is this hot? No, I'm going to open this one, and then all of us are going to share this one. And then, when this one finishes, we could do the other one.
Did you open up the chocolate? I mean, the cracker yet?
I'm opening it.
You open it, yeah? You got all you want. Go get it.
Duh. Yummy, come on, open the chocolate. Wait, Casey, let me open the chocolate. Come on. Don't bite the chocolate.
Don't bite the chocolate.
I'm not going to bite the
Bite the
chocolate.
chocolate?
Yo, Marty, don't bite the chocolate because everybody could get from that same.
I was biting the paper.
What? Why y'all gotta chocolate like that?
But
You know
hurry
better.
up.
Exactly.
Tell him, K-Marty.
I'm not Kiamari.
Yo, Marty, hurry up.
That's not your name?
That is my name. The chocolate's on the chair.
Marty,
Kiana, you stole my cookie.
what is this?
You stole my cookie.
What chocolate? What this go do?
Uncle,
Feels like a paper bag.
Uncle, look at the piece of chocolate that I gave to everybody. Look at the piece of chocolate that I gave to everybody. Look at mine. What do you mean, Zanila? How do I do this? How do I do this? Can you help me?
You just grab the crackers, put one right there, and
You
then
gotta get 2 pieces of chocolate.
Yo, put it on my phone. Yeah, don't waste the sticks.
How do I put?
Put the sticks right here on the plate.
Cause somebody over here stole my thingy.
We got the wrong crackers.
Y'all got the wrong crackers. Let me help
Yeah, they were so small.
Oh, I got them.
Casey picked them on too.
What happens if one of the fire sparks go on me?
Look at the
I
That's
put
all the go
chocolate
get
on
off.
first.
Kennedy, she stay inside. She said, I put that. I'm going to go inside.
1 chocolate.
They got saltine damn crackers. Ah.
How am I supposed to eat this?
Eating it.
I can't eat it.
How am I supposed to eat it? I can't eat it.
Uncle, the crackers are not salty if you don't eat them. I mean, if you eat them by yourself. I said the crackers are not salty. It's good. How do you guys rate it? Kennedy, do your marshmallow.
She don't like chocolate.
Don't put the sticks away.
Kennedy doesn't like chocolate.
Oh my, I forgot.
But she likes cookie.
Get the cookie and put it on the cookie.
What? What cookie? You can hold yourself.
Está cogiendo chocolate.
Diana, you know what Casey told me?
Ella dijo que aguántame. Oh man.
Bombay, Bombay.
I need to record the
There's a chocolate right here. Put your stick when you're finished on the thing. On the plate.
Look at mine.
We're done.
Go, we're done.
Oh, he's going to cracker.
This cracker is so salty. I mean, this cracker is so salty. Eat it with crackers so you don't be playing.
So good.
Pablo Escobar, no.
It's good? You only got one? You only got one?
I'm getting another one.
Man, okay.
This is my second one.
This is my dance, y'all.
Mira, vete por allá. Y lo pones en primera. Le da
This
vuelta.
is my third one. Esa es la cuarta vez que yo no hablo.
No.
Para medio, ahí. Lo puedes dar ahí un poquito que no.
Candy is so good.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Se llama mami.
Dime. This tastes weird.
Blow it.
What is that? Bye. Hey, hey, hey. I cannot eat my marshmallows. Who wanted marshmallow? I already did it. I tried my best. Look. It's not burned on.
But it's better if you take the crisp off.
Wow, que se cogimos la
I feel like
la
there's
galleta
something on my
chiquita.
lip.
Papi, cómete esto.
On my lip.
Dame el poco.
Oh, let me see.
Papi, te lo pusiste.
I licked it off.
Bless you, woman.
But she's not a woman yet.
What is she? A boy?
When my PE class, my PE teacher says, "Welcome, ladies and germs."
What?
Yeah.
Welcome, lady and germs.
The best marshmallows ever.
Kennedy, you want to try my marshmallow?
10 of 10. Like guys,
Can I try it?
I'm
I
just
made it myself.
I'm just taking away Kennedy's
It's good.
Ari's video. But people, it's
Can I try my marshmallow? I
so
made it
good.
myself.
I'm a girl. Good girl. What's a girl?
You guys sneeze.
Hmm?
It's too roasted,
Wait.
girl.
I'm a roast you in a minute.
Achoo, Coco Chanel. Achoo. This Coco Chanel. Achoo, achoo.
I already tried it over here.
Achoo, achoo. Wait. Freeze. That you gotta. Achoo, Coco Chanel. Achoo, Coco Chanel. Achoo. But it's so good.
Yeah, having fun. You said you want to
Why
s'more.
are you yelling at me?
Cause you said you want to s'more and you didn't come. Here, try mine. Here, I made it all for you. I made it all for you.
It's roasted on the top.
it's bitten because I told the girls
Exactly.
to try.
Why are you getting it to me?
Where's the chocolate? Bruh.
There's no more chocolate?
Bruh.
Look, get more chocolate sticks.
Oh, because I got the more chocolate
when I
sticks.
go home to split it, I'm
What
gonna
you
ask
eating, Ken?
for all the chocolate in the
chocolate.
world. That's all.
Let me get some chocolate.
If I get chocolate,
Not a whole bar complete.
if I get chocolate, I just have to be careful on putting it on the floor.
On the what?
I don't care.
On the floor.
If I'm at home, I can't put it on the floor, or my dog's gonna eat it.
Girl, you better.
And then
This
he-
is because I'm one. I'm not two.
And then he's gonna crash out.
On the table.
Can I get a cracker? This is all the bites that I took.
Oh, let me open
Where's
it.
the chocolate? Yeah, I barely took any. Give me.
All right.
Where's the
Some
chocolate?
water now.
You should have been with me.
Here.
Nothing
happened to me.
Thank you. When I was eating noodles, can I get some chocolate?
It's good.
Are you gonna eat all of that? You like chocolate?
You like chocolate?
Yeah.
If she's eating it.
You need to eat it with a marshmallow, not with your hand. I'm gonna get another chocolate. My chocolate.
Pablo Escobar.
Who's Pablo?
Cuarta.
Yeah.
Ya.
Papi was looking at me when I was driving.
chocolate. Because you made me spill my chocolate. It's in the ground now. I make sure.
I did this with the ball. Because you went to go get the ball. She did this.
I didn't get the ball.
I gotta get it tomorrow.
Google.
Aubrey was skipping. She was doing.
I can't believe you. You are a criminal for making my marshmallow. My marshmallow, we got the wrong type of crackers.
We got the wrong type of crackers.
Yeah, these things small, but these things good. Casey, you the one who did. How am I supposed to eat it? This always falls on me.
Huh?
Yeah, I did.
Is your teeth good?
Melly's
You gotta eat it because it's already melted. It's already melted.
I'm trying to take the crust off of it.
Mami, cómeme.
Porque
Chocolate.
Stop it.
I can't take
¿Se comieron todos los chocolates?
No, quedan más.
Quedan 2 paquetes nada más.
Sí, porque son 1,6.
I made one. It's right. I'm gonna put it
Ya
right
se comieron 2 paquetes.
here, Casey. This one I cooked it already. Or do you want it crispy?
Es que a una por aquí está cogiendo 2 chocolates en vez de
Oh.
uno.
Uno.
Only one.
I ripped the paper.
What? You gotta get a new one, too. You can put it on.
Graduation, and I noticed that the fire TV was getting close to the ground, and then my dad went to the
Oh my gosh! This is bird.
This is bird. Where's the black part? It's so soft. Feels like a bag. He's eating chocolate.
Casey,
And that was the last chocolate.
there's more in there. I'm gonna take some more out.
I'm sorry, guys. There's bed backs.
She called your back.
I'm not telling you guys.
Look at the
I'm
s'more.
calling her.
Look, I'm putting some more on the stick.
Why don't you
Because-
okay?
These sticks over here are like eating. That everybody have put their mouth on it and everything. So
I use the same stick again.
Blow out the candy.
out the candies.
I said candles, because this was on fire. Huh? So I blew it out. And now it's my
Papi, papi,
only them.
papi, tú hay que coger palo nuevo porque algunos palos están ahí, están en el ambiente.
No, pero no cojan todos los palos. Pues después otro día no van a tener más nada. Dame los palos. Pongan los que vayan a coger. Porque mañana es otro día.
Eso no está en lambío.
Eso no es lambío. Eso
Algunos
es,
hacían
ya sé que hicieron toda la bolsa.
papi, que son tan grandes.
Ah, bueno, pues. Terminen de hacer.
No quiero lo quemado. ¿Quién quiere lo quemado?
Nadie, Casey. Porque ya todos los mexicanos.
Okay. How many watch are we?
Mira, hagan lo que vayan a hacer y ya.
Toma.
No lo van a hacer todo. Yo no quiero eso, Casey.
Okay, there's 5. These are last 5.
No me iba a quemar lo quemado.
Ari just do everything just to make people laugh. Now, how are you eating a marshmallow on a stick?
That's how you eat it.
I always touch it to see if it's hot.
Girl, you didn't touch it and have it hot.
Wait.
Are you firing?
I will watch out.
I'm burning. Lo quemé. I burnt it.
Papi, tú tenías que ver que no estaba así.
On the fire.
I'm fire.
I want to see how piano do it.
¡Ey!
No pasó.
Coge, dale, porque si no la apago.
No.
It's 3 more marshmallows.
What you say?
You're playing with the fire. You're playing with fire.
Can I have this? Look, the chocolate.
Oh, you want chocolate?
Can I have I want the whole chocolate.
No, you cannot.
¡Embuste! Este era 6 paquetes. Están acuestados, eso es lo que está. Did you just say tongue of a masking?
No.
I heard you just say tongue of a masking.
It's sprinkles. You see there's some sprinkles from there.
What happens if I don't roast the marshmallow? So it's just going to be a regular marshmallow. Good.
Yes, it just tastes marshmallow.
Open the chocolate.
Open the nose.
What if I get some Hershey's chocolate syrup? What would that do? What?
And when y'all go inside, pull your
Happy
slides right there by the
birthday
door.
to me.
Hey, then you're singing up. Let me get this chocolate one, because you take forever. But I'm sorry.
Carajo, eh.
Happy birthday, Kiyomi. Your birthday is not really real. If you keep on saying it's your birthday, I'm going to crash you and kick you to the Mars.
Happy birthday to me. Oh my God.
Happy birthday to
Oh, it got
¿Dónde
really
es eso?
Where's the whiskey marshmallow? Hold up.
¿Dónde es eso?
You know that the last one, somebody is the grabber. Who done grabbed the last
Bob, start the line.
Who done grabbed the last marshmallow?
Casey, no, there's a marshmallow for each
Did
one.
you do your marshmallow?
Casey, if you keep...
Yomi, the last one is yours. Or did you already do
No,
your last one?
it's probably,
Tráeme a Yosaya,
it's
está
probably
preparando
for the
también 4
Nyla.
jugos de
Ay,
sorpresa.
3. Probably for the Nyla.
No, está aquí.
Pam!
Yo debería venir para acá el 4 de julio, sorpresa.
Come.
Me llama mañana. Va. Sí.
Wow, yours now they open. You said I'm gonna take away from her to not open it.
Sóplalo ya.
Sugar.
That was
That's not bird poop. That was.
Ew.
That's not bird poop. That was Kennedy.
I'm gonna do my turn to do this.
No, the last one was Ollie.
No, because I didn't get mine.
No, because I just got a marshmallow.
But there was 5.
Yeah, but I didn't get a
There's
stick.
3 on the
I
floor.
had this stick forever. I used this stick 3 times. I just used a different stick. This is my 3rd time. I haven't had a marshmallow. I just used
Kennedy,
the marshmallow
that's yours.
on the
What
stick.
one is that
That's
one?
not a big deal. And I'm thirsty. Can you give me some water? Hold up. That one is the first of Kennedy.
This is my 6th one.
Big bag, big bag, big.
I'm just lying.
This is my 3rd piñata. This is my 4th marshmallow piñata.
No, we're messing up Ollie's video. So that's
This is my 6th one or my 5? I don't know. Such a 5, because if you had 6, then you'll be the biggest back in the world. You even with place first. My dad's first place for being the hunchback, and you're so the hunchback, and he's so close to being first place of the biggest back ever.
Hear the crunch, guys. Hear my crunch. Look, look up.
Happy pencil.
6, 7.
What you don't want? You don't want the marshmallow?
I want the marshmallow.
Te lo tiré para allá.
Look.
Papi, no estoy palo. Mira para allá, cayó en el árbol.
Yay!
Ahora, papi, ahora nadie se va a querer comer
I'm
eso
gonna
que
do
cayó en el
it.
árbol.
Eso lo va a comer.
He did it so no cow could eat it.
Ya se cayó.
So no cow. I mean,
animal back there to eat it. Who put their marshmallow on the chair?
Me.
I'm joking.
All right, no more. We have to save some.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
For who, girl?
Tomorrow's another day.
Yeah, what y'all gonna say? There's nothing in there.
Exactly.
There's no more chocolate. Jeez.
Aussie.
Yeah, eat it more.
Aussie. Aye. You talk about the no more chocolate. Dang it.
How many? 3?
Can I get a chocolate?
Can we give us some chocolate?
Can I get a chocolate for myself? No.
I'm gonna say these 3 for tomorrow.
What about trivia?
Maybe I can do trivia with this one. I'll give it to Uncle. Yeah.
Kennedy, you got candy on my armpit too? Wait, what? Oh yeah, I did. Sorry. Look.
Fabulous Coca-Cola.
It's good, the spatula.
Poppy, yeah. I need some water. Like the marshmallow's really.
You mean dry? Give me some water too, please.
Lord. You mean share that chocolate?
Yeah, sure, that chocolate. I am sharing it. Yeah, share your chocolate. So good. You guys want some?
Yeah, but once you touch this, wait, don't do it for me.
I don't want to go.
In my stomach.
No, I'm talking about my costume.
Ese chocolate trae como 9.
Oh, no, traía 6. Los 3 arriba y los 3 abajo.
Sí, sabes. ¿Qué sí?
Papi, no me están cansando.
Pero no te lo comas más nada.
Pero que me ¿cómo te lo quemamos?
Do you want food?
No quiero comer todo eso.
Ya te cansaste ya. ¿Qué están ahí tengo los patrones en la bolsa?
Put that back.
Hazlo tú. You gonna eat them like that, Katie? You want to crack it.
I gotta clean my armpits.
I can't.
Mayonnaise. Go inside.
Yeah, I could.
Me tengo que bañar como quiera.
Pero bótalo para allá.
No, si tenga buena.
Ya, arranca para allá.
Buena.
Tu buena puntería.
La otra yo iba a matar una cucaracha y la maté para la nevera.
Dale. Mira para allá, cuando la tira. Mira, sin el palo, mira. Está bien.
Viste, tengo buena puntería.
Papi, cuando te hicimos tiene sus cosas, ¿verdad?
No te mojes todas, porque...
Alúmbrame.
Sí, sí aguanta el palo.
Viste, tengo buena puntería.
That probably dropped my phone. My phone's already broke.
This is
Right there, right over there, Kiana.
Oh, what? There's a cow? Me traje agua para afuera. Did you just say there's a
Y'all want to
cow?
wash your hands?
I already
No,
did.
thank you, because I gotta take a shower.
Right there. Wash your hands right there.
No, thank you.
No?
No.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
La otra la Kiana.
What is
I gotta keep
the marshmallow? Who else is gonna eat? Marshmallow. Can I get chocolate? Chocolate.
Ya.
Chocolate.
Papi, ¿por qué me asustaste? Yo juré que había algo ahí. Ya iba a dejar.
Our chocolate should go.
Quedaron 3 cantos.
Cómetelo. Where the trash go?
And,
Okay.
Casey. Casey.
I'm asking you where the trash goes.
What you doing, Casey? Give me that. Big back. Big back. Big back. Usher's about to eat the last cracker. I swear. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Tienen que tener cuidado.
Eso no quema. ¿Verdad? La flechita no quema.
Quema así.
Ahí ya no.
Ah.
Y'all can put your hands.
You guys gonna watch me, okay?
What are you doing, girl? Finding the crackers?
¿Qué eso qué suena?
What's that?
Where is that?
It's an army, I think.
Eso allá en eso de militar.
Oh yeah, that's the arm.
What's the arm?
Army.
What's the?
What happened? Girl, keep quiet.
Hey, don't get too close.
There
Don't
was
get too
smoke
close.
in my eye.
Don't get too close.
Papi, ella hace eso conmigo.
Sí.
No, because I thought it would come after you. I didn't prepare for this.
Tú estabas bañando.
That's the army do that.
I don't know, ask them.
Why do you do that?
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower really quick. I'm coming back outside. Okay, let's look a little after this.
I wonder if without the fire you can just with the smoke. No? Oh yeah, you can smoke. What you say? You smoke all the time, and I try to go outside, but no. I'm outside playing rain one time, and I don't want to smell it, so I gotta go back inside, and my mom's home, and I really go first. Well, where? Wait, say it again? No. I was like, oh, my eyes burn. My eyes are burn. My nose is uncle. Yeah. Ooh. Fever? Yeah. It's so salty. No, can you know that I wish you could have it.
Bigger, 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 sprinkle, bigger, pencil cake, sprinkle, bigger, pencil cake, bigger, bigger, bigger.
Everybody's picture. Your mom does it.
I thought this is water, guys.
She used to work at a movie theater. Yeah, the Air Force is the.
My dad was at KFC in that transformation where you got to spread out the in the middle. And then he became my dad. Yeah, and my mom became my mom. My mom used to sometimes to go to church.
¿Sabes qué? Vengo para atrás.
Tú te acercas y yo te mato. Oh, I forgot I'm here. And Kennedy. And intelligent. Girl, you nasty. And you nasty. You see? This is what. Papi, mira lo que hice un coco para sentarte.
Papi, yo quiero que
Puedes buscar. ¡Ven, papi! Claro que sí. Mira, tú estás hablando así.
Hi guys! You're amazing! And I do my... Oh my gosh!
Yo creo que el metal se está quemando. Casey, you gotta get the girl the squishy back.
Squishy? Yes, she's here today. Right, Miss Casey? It's Dougal Scott. I want to see if there's cow poop in here. Look, it's your marshmallow. Look at your marshmallow. Google, start to know. Google, start to know. Ow. Google, start to know. Can you guys? When are we stopping this? Let's all go inside, okay?
I study the fire.
Okay?
Wait, if we go outside, like
Y'all go inside, y'all gonna stay inside, y'all gonna have to take a shower.
All of your papi.
Yup.
Por el humo.
Yup. I'm a Oompa Loompa, no.
No, pero estaba afuera, nena.
I'm too, I can't take a bath. I'm a Oompa Loompa. I can't take.
You want to swim class?
Bye. And that is our family vlog for Smart. Bye. See you later. Subscriber, you can